Therefore he says, avajananti mam moodaha manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajanantah mama bhutamaheshwaram avajananti mam moodaha manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajanantah mama bhutamaheshwaram. Moodaha. Moodaha means fools who don't think clear. Avivekin. Those who have no viveka at all, what do they think? When they look at me, Krishna, now he says, me, the Krishna, has taken the human body. Manushim tanum ashritam mam avajanantah. What they do not know, I, the one who has taken the human form, thinking that I am a son of so and so. And as a physical body, as a Krishna, I am supposed to die also. I die. Krishna did not remain as an eternal person. Krishna, as a son of Vasudeva, died. Right? There's no doubt about that. Mama parambhavam ajanantah. They do not know my parambhavam, meaning my higher nature, my supreme nature, my supreme swarupa, Brahman, Brahmatva, ajanantah. Manushim stanum ashritam jananti, param bhavam na jananti. Me, the one who is really the Paramatma, they don't know. They only see at the gross level of as a Krishna. They are called Moodaha. Avajananti mam Moodaha manushim tanumashritam param bhavam ajanantah. What is mama param bhavam? Mama Bhuta Maheshwaram Bhavam Ajananta. I am the Lord of the whole universe. So even Arjuna took him to be a friend or a charioteer as his cousin brother. Until Bhagavan says, yeah, I don't mind you doing that, but you don't know me. Right? When we do not know the greatness of that person, we take him for anybody ordinary person. Gurudev used to give this example when once he was a long time back when he was traveling in a train. And there was a person just opposite also. He was traveling in the same train. And he did not know Swamiji, Gurudev. But he was reading a book written by Gurudev. So he was taking the book and very seriously. And he looked at, आप साधु हैं? Are you a साधु? हाँ. साधु तो ऐसा होना चाहिए. कितने, what intelligence, How he has written so beautiful about spirituality and this in such a wonderfully he has written. बहुत बढ़िया. पढ़ो आप. गुरुदेव, हाँ पढ़ेंगे, बस ठीक है. वो कौन है वो? चिन्मयानंद, स्वामी चिन्मयानंद. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. Then train stopped where Gurudev was to get out. When he came out, the people were gathered with garlands. Swami Chinmayananda Maharaj ki jai. This fellow, param bhavam ajanantah. So it's a shock. It happened to me also, but it's in a different way. So there was a book called Life of I. It was released in 2016 in Dallas Mahasamadhi camp. And after the camp got over, and then I got into the flight. But I was not wearing this dress, I was wearing a jogging suit. Because when I travel, I avoid, otherwise they'll stand like a Christ and all that. So I was sitting there, the Dallas LA flight. Then one lady came and sat next to me. She was part of our Mahasamadhi camp, but she did not notice me, because I was wearing this dress. She never, some other branch. Yeah. I said, okay, she must be. I knew her. She is from the Mahasamadhi camp. Then the flight was slowly taking off. She took out that book, Life of Pi. So I was so curious, what is she going to do? So she took the book, a nice new book, smell and a new book. I was so unhappy. First page itself, she went to sleep. Parambhava Majanand. The author is sitting next to you. So Bhagavan Krishna, how much you would have felt? Think about it. I am the Lord of the universe. What do you mean? Without me, not even a blade of grass can move. But he didn't have that ego at all. He was jolly well running around, doing everything. And later on in 11th chapter, Krishna, when Arjuna said, thank God, I did not know, I was just calling you like anybody else. I was not even having any respect. Yeah, come here, Krishna. What are you doing there? Come here, sit with me. Who are you? When he did the Vishwarupa, he realized that. Whom am I dealing with here? So, avajananti mam moodaha manushim tanumashritam mam param bhavam ajanantaha bhutamaheshwaram bhavam ajanantaha moodaha. This is literal meaning. Now you think about it. Brahma Tattva is your essence, each one of us. Not knowing that we are behaving like a mortal, how foolish it is. Moodaha vayam. That's why Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Moodhamate. You filtered idiot. Don't you know your nature? Samprapte sannihite kale nahi rakshati dukrin karane. All the material knowledge that you get, nothing will protect you. So parambhavam ajanantaha swayam, our own parambhavam, our greatest nature, without knowing we are living, therefore who are we? Moodaha vayam. And when we are deluded by our ignorance, what do? Our desires, our actions, our ambitions, everything will be so self-centered, narrow and foolish. Because it is only to cater to immediate demands of the body, senses, etc. only. Right? That is called mogha. Mogha means deluded, limited fancies. So next verse he says,